Is Davinci Resolve running slow? It might be because of cache files. There are two types in Resolve: render cache and other working cache files. They help with playback and performance, but over time, they take up a lot of space. In this video, I'll show you how to clear both. Let's get started. Here we are in Davinci Resolve. To clear render cache files, go to the top menu, click on Playback. Now look here, click on Delete Render Cache. You'll see three options. The first one clears cache for the selected clip, the second, unused, and third, all cache files. Let's say we want to clear unused files. Click on Unused. This window pops up. Just hit Delete. Done. Quick thing, before we move to the next step, tap subscribe if this video is helping you out. Also, check out more Resolve tutorials in the description. Alright, let's move to the second method. Click on File. Then go to Project Settings. Shortcuts also right here. Next, click on Master Settings. Scroll down. Here's the section, Working Folders. You'll see three things: Proxy Media Location, Cache Files Location, and Gallery Stills Location. We can clear data from all of these. It'll free up space, and help Resolve run smoother and faster. Click Browse next to any of them. It opens the folder where those files are stored. This is where Resolve saves cache files. If you don't see the folder, search for it by name, like Cache Clip. Once you find it, just delete the files inside. Do the same for the other two folders if you want. Browse, delete, or change the location or folder name, whatever works best for you. That's it. You've now cleared all cache files in Davinci Resolve. This helps with smoother playback and frees up memory. If this video helped, hit like, tap subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.